Ready to transform your messy data chaos into insightful Tableau dashboards? First things first, let's address missing values. They're the little gremlins that can throw your analysis off track in Tableau. You have several options to deal with them. You can filter them out entirely, which might be best if the missing values are significant or don't provide meaningful information. If removing rows isn't ideal, you can replace them. You can replace them by using the average, minimum or maximum for numerical data, or inputting a common value. Choose the option that best fills the gap while maintaining data integrity. Remember, fill carefully, as the value chosen will drastically change your data. Next up, let's tackle those pesky inconsistencies. Messy data with varied formats can kill your analysis. Check for things like dates that aren't formatted the same. Tableau sometimes struggles to read dates. Also, check your text capitalization. Using Tableau's building tools and calculations, you can clean those inconsistencies and make sure your data is uniform. This is your first step to high-quality analysis. Now, let's dive into some powerful transformations. You can create calculated fields using functions like dateparse to standardize date formats or string functions to fix text formatting. This makes your data ready for calculations and accurate analysis. By addressing missingness and inconsistencies and transforming your data, the quality and impact of your dashboards will soar, ultimately leading to better insights and more confident decision-making. Now go out there and make some clean data magic.